Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm talking about installing and librarying R packages. Okay, so we have two steps to accessing an R package. One where we actually put the files on our computer, and the other where we load those files onto memory so we can use them in our program. Okay, so install.packages is the function we use to pull packages from CRAN, standing for a Comprehensive Archive Network, and put them in our system storage. You can see a list of your installed packages here, and if you need to use a package and it's not here, most likely you need to download it from CRAN or some other distribution point for packages, perhaps GitHub, but I'm not going to talk about that here, because most packages you deal with will come through this mechanism. Okay, so let's say I want the package ccplot2. It's already on my computer, but for the video, I'm going to run the code again. So this is going to contact the CRAN servers and pull all the relevant ccplot2 files from their computers and put it onto my computer so I can use the package. And it's going to run a lot of steps, and we basically just need to wait for that to finish. I'm running Linux, so you're going to see a bunch of extra code of C++ compiling that you would not have to worry about on Windows or Mac. But it is going to take some time, hopefully not too long, so I don't want to have to edit this video. And I might have made a mistake picking ccplot2. But I can't stop it. Okay, so while that's running, I'm just going to talk about a few points. So after you install a package, using install.packages, you never need to run that again. It's on your computer, and running it again will simply waste time. Unless, of course, you go to a different computer or uninstall R entirely, or some other extreme case where you no longer have access to those files. But every time you run R or restart R, you need to library the package. And librarying a package loads that package information into memory. Because you have all these packages on your computer, but only a few of them are actually loaded onto RAM. Because there are situations where if you had a large collection of packages, your computer's memory would just be overloaded with all those files unnecessarily. So, what R does is it loads a bunch of core packages, like the rstat package, and anything above that, the user has to specify that they want it using library. Now, install packages is for when you need to call out to a server and get package file. Library is when you start R and you want to load it into RAM. And if you did use install packages every time you ran a package, you'd be no worse off. It'd just be really slow, and you'd be making unnecessary calls to CRAN, and with individually probably inconsequential. But yeah, so install packages are for files. library, what you want to do every time you start or restart are to load those files that you pulled into RAM. Okay? And in my book, I also have a helper function that allows you to check if your packages are already installed, and only install them if you don't have them. It's just a different way of installing packages. If you move computers a lot, you could have a long list of packages that you want concatenated together, and only install them if they're not currently on the computer you're working on. But, okay, so that's the end of this short video. Thank you for watching.